Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Today I am unboxing Xiaomi Pad 5 in cosmic grey color, which comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. If you like to see my upcoming videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new notification. Box is pretty simple, no designing, just simple white box with details at the bottom. Let's open it. This pad comes with 11 inches IPS display with 13 megapixels of main camera and 8720 mAh of battery. Other than the pad, you will find manuals and Type-C charger in the box. Xiaomi Pad 5 has aluminum frame and the back is made of plastic. The style is sleek, simple and it looks very beautiful in this color. Let's switch on the tab and check the interface. The interface is really nice and it is almost similar to iPad or iPhone's latest iOS. I hope you liked the video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.